Hey, I want to show y'all this real quick though, but like, see my teeth? I got good teeth, I got a confident smile, but I was looking online probably like a month ago, just, messing around, but came across these little things, these little pop-on veneers on Facebook. It popped up. But let me see. I got it yesterday, come in this little blue case right here. They send you the mold, you bite down on it, whatever, ship it back out to them. And they send it back to you like 2 weeks. It's good for like people who need like dental work. That could be real expensive, especially if you ain't got insurance, like missing teeth or whatever. They even like put a tooth in there. But let me show you real quick. They got 3 shades too. You can go like a mature tan, natural white, or Hollywood. I was like, shit, give me the Hollywood. I'm just messing around. Give me the Hollywood. Let me show y'all something real quick. So come in this, you mold, they come back to you like this. See if you get this little package when you get them back. Real quick, just pop them in. I did top and the bottom. Look, Hollywood, man, Hollywood. Look at that. Hey, it got me feeling like plies. You know what I mean? That man, Hollywood, man. And you can eat with them. So if you know somebody, who need them, don't want to go spend like $9,000, $5,000 for the veneers, get y'all some of these, man. Hey, y'all see me in my Hollywood shit, man. Mind your business, man. Hey, I'm just, spreading love. Hollywood, man. I'm Hollywood right now.